Hey everybody, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I wanted to showcase a beautiful part here in Pensacola. This is the Pensacola Scenic Bluffs Highway, known as Scenic Highway, but the bluffs here are beautiful. There's actually 11 miles in length from the southern tip at the Bayou Tahar Bridge to the northern tip, which is the Highway 90 bridge over the Escambia River. The bluffs actually protect 26 acres of largely sloped landscape. One cool thing about these bluffs is that these are about 85 feet from the top to the water, and bluffs of this height are not found anywhere else along the Florida coast, which is pretty cool. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe so you can stay on top of all the cool videos we'll be pumping out about Pensacola, Gulf Breeze, and just the whole Emerald Coast.